So today is Sunday, December 31st, and we had an awesome weekend at the Soon Come Villa. We are now heading back into Kingston, and yeah, we don't want to leave. As you can see, Sierra over there start swing like monkey pan swing song. The villa is so nice, so awesome, that I promise you guys, it's just been a crazy weekend. Yeah, but now we have to head back into town, so we could take the journey now. I start to feel hungry, so like we're going to Ocho, we could drive in Ocho and see if we can get something to eat. Right? Trust me, when you come to Jamaica, the countryside far better than the town side. Watch them people, they all ride horse. And people they don't just ride all horse. They tell you that. Yeah, it's like the tourist product is much better, but you know, have to do what we have to do. You understand what I'm saying? Alright, so on to Ocho Rios. We in a Sentence Bay now, Runaway Bay area. Yeah, so town where I say. Boy, if we did have more time, I tell you, if we did have more time to stop and check out Dunn's River and all of the other attractions in our Ocho Rios, but I have to roll into Kingston, so we just have to stop and get something to eat one at the Ocho Rios Jerk Center around there, so. And then we have the road, but look on the road, man, look on Ocho, nice, beautiful day. Yeah, the sun is shining, the weather is nice, the birds are singing. And it's a beautiful New Year's Eve to head on over into Kingston. Ocho, looking good.
Is that Turtle Towers? No, not in Jamaica.
Going to Ocho Rios Jerk Center now and see what's going in there. Yes, sir. Jerk burger, jerk chicken, sweet potato fries, jerk chicken wrap, and wrap over there so again, and chicken over there so.
No, not to the order.
Food I run. So I wouldn't get no food, but yeah, alright.
You want four? You get four? Jamaican?
Great.
This is where you call Fern Gully in St. Anne. The road quite narrow. They call it Fern Gully, why? Because ferns on
The ferns, all the
ferns.
plants are ferns.
Yeah, it has ferns on both sides. Endless amount of ferns. It's not really a gully still, but
It is a gully.
it's a gully. Like when we normally
Joshua, this is called Fern Gully.
some people will not necessarily know Jamaica.
This is in Ocho Rios. And if you notice how where it gets dark, that's because ferns are, if you look outside the window, we're in a gully. And the flowers go all the way up to the sky.
There's nowhere to go, just a road.
Some people do that.
From the sky, it looks like
You don't see the world from the sky. Yeah.
What the next Hey, you have to be a big driver to drive through Fern Gully now. And my hubby is a big driver. Has it driven through Fern Gully forever and he's still having a lap. Right? Right. The end of the gully.
Again, the beautiful countryside of St. Anne's, and we just took the road, take with time and drive in, catch the highway down there in Monique, and we just head on into Kingston. All in all, beautiful drive. Once again, if you go Jamaica, you have to go on a country run. You have to make a run to on the south coast. It's awesome. The landscape, just the whole environment is just beautiful. Jamaica, we say, remember me tell you, look on hill, look on hill, look on hill. Pretty man, trust me. Big up yourself.